How to change language in Prince of Persia, The Lost Crown. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're struggling with menus, setting confusion, or just trying to make your game feel more comfortable in your own language in Prince of Persia, The Lost Crown, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the game on your device, and once you're inside, you'll see this kind of an interface where you need to click on options. Now, inside the display option, tap on text language and just tap the arrow right next to the language option and you'll be able to see several different language options displayed on the screen. Just keep pressing on the language option and it will be changed. Once you find your preferred language, you can then stop and continue with your game. So there you have it. That is how you can easily change your language setting in Prince of Persia, The Lost Crown. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.